Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Erica. In this video we'll be talking about how to earn money writing articles. Now you can make over $100 with each and any of these sites if you go ahead and take action right now. Now before we get started, I need you to understand that to be successful with this particular method or way of making money online, you will need to sign up with as many of these sites as possible, and you will need to create a portfolio on a free website like Wix or Medium just to be able to show or to pitch your articles to these different sites. So here we are on our first website, and this one is called Strong Whispers. Now as you can see here, you can get paid to write articles for them, and this is what they want you to do. All you got to do is suggest a topic, submit your article, and get paid. As you can see here, they pay $50 per each published article. So they aim to get at least 2 to 3 guest posts per month. And if you can go ahead and pitch an article that is relevant to their particular type of niche, or something that will be great for their audience, you can go ahead and check out this site. So as you can see here, you're going to get paid through PayPal, so you're going to need PayPal to be able to receive payments if you do get accepted into this website. So a quick tip I have for you guys is that every time you decide to submit articles to different blogs to be able to get accepted, you want to go ahead and check out what they actually write about. And all you gotta do is just go to the website itself and see the different types of articles that they publish on their website, and you can use that as a base to do your research to find ideas to create content around and submit them to these different sites. Now you will want to do this for each and every website that we will be talking about in this video. So next we have this site, guys, called crackedcom. Now once you're on here, you want to navigate to where it says write for us, and it's going to take you to this page. This site actually offers you two different options of creating content. First, you have articles that you can create, and next you have images that you can create. So if you are great in designing images, you can go ahead and apply by clicking on this button, and you can also apply to write content and articles by registering to their forum. So here they actually tell you how much they're going to be paying you. They'll pay you $150 for your first article and $250 after that. So the process is simple. You just have to create your first article, and once it get accepted onto the platform, you can start making more than $250 per every article that you create. So go ahead and check out this website. It's something that you really want to get into if you're serious about making money by writing articles online. You want to check out this site, guys. So here's another website that is similar to crack.com, and this one is called whatculture.com. This one also gets over 10 million monthly visitors, and to be able to write for this website, all you got to do is click on this write for us option on here, and it's going to take you to this page where they'll give you all of the info on how to submit articles to this site. So if we scroll down a little bit, they're going to tell you about all of the different content options that they want and how many words you need to create. And they're also going to tell you that you'll be getting paid by PayPal, so you will need a PayPal account to go ahead and sign up for this website. So to get more information, guys, simply click on these options they have on the facts section, and they're going to tell you that you'll be getting paid around 50 euros for each 1,000 views that are generated on your article. Now because this site gets over 10 million monthly viewers, you can expect to get a lot of views on your articles and make money with this website. Now to sign up, you can simply go ahead and add in your email address to get started and apply to submit articles to this website. And here's another website called writersweekly, which you can actually go ahead and submit articles to. Now this site will pay you around $60 if your article is accepted onto the platform, and it needs to be around 600 words per article, and they pay through PayPal. Now they have a lot of requirements that you need to go through and read for yourself, and if it's something that you think you can write articles around, go ahead and apply to this website and submit your articles to them and see if that you will get accepted to be able to write for this website. So next we have ListFirst. Now this is a website that actually publishes posts on the top 10, the 10 best, and so on and so forth. Now they have a lot of categories that you can create content around, and once you get here, all you got to do is go to the more option on here and click on write to get paid. So on here it tells you that you're going to get paid $100 per article, and you need to have a PayPal account for this to work. If you don't have a PayPal account, don't go ahead and send in your articles because you will not get accepted. Now they have some rules here and guidelines that you need to go through, and they also have some rules about pictures and videos. You also need to read that. But once you're satisfied and you think that this is something you want to do, you can click on the send it in option that they have here to send in your list, and if they do accept it, they will send you money by PayPal. So go ahead and check it out, guys. It's listverse.com. So next on our list, guys, is this website called copyhackers.com. Now copyhackers.com, they talk about online marketing, freelancing, copywriting, and all different types of tutorials. So if you have an expertise in that field, you can go ahead and check out this website. So once you're here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says write for us, and you want to click on that. So guys, they actually have on here that they pay around $300 to $1,000 for every accepted completed post, but they are not specific on how they pay out their writers. But there are a lot of requirements required to get accepted on this particular website. They give you a lot of topics that you need to cover, and they tell you how to submit the work to their website. And at the bottom here, they're going to tell you how you can submit or send in your email. So go ahead and check it out, guys. If this is something that's going to work for you, check it out, sign up, and sign up to as many as these websites as possible, and let's move on. Next we have Photoshop tutorials. So if you're great in Photoshop and you have some knowledge in Photoshop, you know how to create different Photoshop images, and you know about some of those different effects and brushes that you can create tutorials around, you can check out this website. This is photoshoptutorials.ws. And once you're here, you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you want to select write for us. So here it actually tells you that you are going to be able to make anywhere from $50 to $300. Now if you have a simple article, you can make around $50 for a quick tip, or $150 for a full article, and $300 for a full tutorial. So if you actually have some roundups, article roundups that you've created on different tutorials and articles, you can also go ahead and submit those here. So once you're satisfied and you want to go ahead and sign up, you can either use this option here, or you can go back, guys, to the page where it says you submit your article. You can add in your contact information, and you can send in a sample of your work. If you're accepted, you are going to get an email, and they're going to let you know how you can get paid, guys. So here is another awesome website, and they mostly cover technology and news content. So if you have a knowledge in that section, guys, you can go ahead and check out this website. It's called Schwann Cole. I'm gonna leave a link for this in the description, and once you're here, you want to click on this and go down to submissions. Click on that, and here they are going to tell you how much you can get paid for how many words. So here you're going to get paid around $100 for 1,000 words article, and you'll get paid via PayPal. So if you're satisfied, you can use the contact form here to go ahead and send in your submissions. Go ahead and check it out, guys. Another site that is very cool that you can go ahead and check out and start writing for is this site called International Living. So all you got to do once you're here is go to the About section, and you want to go down to where it says Write for IL. Now once you're here, guys, you can go ahead to this first option where they have International Living website, and you want to click on this here button. It's going to take you to this page, and this is where they're going to tell you the types of content that they want for their website. Scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see that they're going to pay you $150 for a 1,500 word article or $100 for 1,000 word article. So you can also get paid by creating videos, guys. So if you want to create videos for this site or content articles, whatever it is that you want to create, you can go ahead and contact them through their emails, submit your articles or your videos, guys, and see how you can get paid, because it is not specified on here how you can get paid by submitting articles to this website. So last on my list, guys, is this website called Linkablecom. Now this website is a great opportunity for anyone who's trying to make money by creating content online. Now once you're here, you want to go to the authors section, and this is where you are going to be able to apply to become a freelance writer and build backlinks for your clients. Now you may be thinking, how are you going to build backlinks for your clients and so on and so forth? I'll cover that in just a little bit. For most users and most authors who apply to this platform, they do have blogs, and some of their blogs have high DA, that's domain authority scores. So if you have a blog with a high domain authority, so let's say anywhere between from 10 to 100, you can go ahead and use this site to get backlinks for your client. So all you got to do is apply to link building jobs that match your expertise and your interests, and then you create content for those clients. You get hired by those clients using this website, and you create content and articles around those particular jobs, and then you post it on your website and you get paid. So as you can see down here, you get paid around $150 for low DA sites, and if you have a high DA site, you can get up to $1,000 per one blog post giving backlinks to people. So your average amount per sale that you can make on this website is about $375. So all you got to do is come down here and you can read the strict author requirements which you need to follow, and then you can go ahead and apply, and they're going to review your application, and if you do get accepted, you can start working with brands and companies that are looking for backlinks online. Now you as a content creator or an author, you can use sites like Facebook groups to get guest posting opportunities, where you can write guest posts on websites with high domain authority, and then you can provide those backlinks to these companies that are going to pay you a lot of money for doing so. So if we come onto Facebook, you are going to see that there are a lot of different groups on Facebook that are called guest posting that you can go ahead and join. You will be surprised to find that there are tons of websites with high domain authority looking for people to write for them on their blogs for free, and in exchange you get backlinks to your website. So you, as someone who's working with Linkable, you can go onto Facebook groups and join those groups and find people willing and waiting for you to write on their blogs, and then you can give backlinks back to your clients on Linkablecom. This is an easy way to start generating and making money online by writing articles. So I hope this video helped you guys, and if you did like it, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna leave links in the description below for all of these websites so that you can go ahead and access them right away. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay awesome until next time.